Dear students, today we have entered into continuity topic, that is in mathematics B track. Until yesterday we have discussed A track. We have finished in first year 1 year objective concept. Until level 3 we have discussed. Until mains level we have discussed heights and distance topic. Now let us going to discuss the B track. In college we have discussed that limits concept to sums. Until level 3 we have finished. Let us going to discuss today day 19. Day 19 continuity topic. Topic continuity, day 19. So before going to discuss the topic, we should learn the definition of continuity and definition of continuous. Later the definition of continuity. First of all, let us write the definition of continuous. A function f is said to be continuous if it is defined on neighborhood of A. A function f maps anything, depends upon the domain. A function f is said to be continuous. A function f is said to be continuous if it is defined on neighborhood of A. Neighborhood of A. Already I have discussed regarding neighborhoods and everything. That is, if limit extends to A minus. So this is the left neighborhood of A. Limit extends to A minus f of x is equal to limit extends to A plus f of x. Limit extends to A minus f of x is equal to limit extends to A plus f of x. Then f and that also is equal to f of A. That is equal to f of A. Whatever the definition he given with f of A, he used to give the definition or the value at f of A. Value at A. So the limit, this is called as LHL, left hand limit, and this is called as RHL, right hand limit. This is simply the value. So LHL and RHL should be equal, and the LHL value, RHL value should be equal to a given f of A. Whenever the value defined on neighborhood and the limit extends to A minus f of x is equal to limit extends to A plus f of x, that is equal to f of A, then f is said to be continuous. Then f is said to be continuous. F is said to be continuous. Among them, if, second point I am writing, if limit extends to A minus, that is left neighborhood, is equal to f of A. So it is defined and is equal to f of A. Limit extends to A minus is not equal to limit extends to A plus f of x. Then it is said to be, it means here f, it is said to be left continuous because it defined on left neighborhood. It is said to be left continuous. Third one, if limit extends to A plus, if limit extends to A plus, f of x is equal to f of A. Limit extends to A plus f of x equal to f of A, then it is said to be, right continuous. It is said to be right continuous. If limit extends to A minus f of x, limit extends to A plus f of x, both are equal, that is also equal to f of A, then we can say that it is simply continuous. There is no question of left and right. If it is equal to simple f of A, this is left continuous. Of course, here it is not equal to extends to a plus f of x. In this case, this is not equal to limit extends to a minus f of x. Limit extends to a minus f of x. Whether the topic of whether the function is continuous or not, if the concept of the concept of a limit is left or right or simply continuous. Left continuous or right continuous or simply total continuous. Left continuous or right continuous or simply continuous is called as, such concept is called as continuity. Is called as continuity. Whether the function is left or right or both continuous, such concept is called as continuity. Today we are going to discuss the continuity topic. Conditions of, you open page number 37, page 37 in your material. F of x is discontinuity topics given. Otherwise, we can write here. Page 37 topic. If limit extends to a minus f of x not equal to limit extends to a plus f of x, or limit extends to a minus f of x, or not equal to limit extends to a plus f of x, or limit extends to a minus f of x not equal to f of a. Next, or limit extends to a plus f of x not equal to f of a, or f of a does not define. Now see the question. In all such cases, limit does not exist here, of course. Whenever limit does not exist, there is no question of continuous. Then f of x is said to be not continuous or discontinuous. Therefore, in this case, in such cases, f of x is said to be discontinuous. Discontinuous or not continuous. Also, we can say that f of x is discontinuous where the function is not defined. F of x is discontinuous where the function is not defined. So according to domains, we can say where the function is not defined. Let us see the example. F of x is equal to x square minus 4 whole by x minus 2. F of x equal to x square minus 4 whole by x minus 2. Here, in this concept, x should not be equal to 2, because if x is equal to 2, it is not defined. We know that the fractional function f of x by g of x is called as fractional function where g of x not equal to 0. So x minus 2 should not be equal to 0. X should not equal to 2. So whenever x not equal to 2, there the function is not defined. Where the function is not defined, at the particular point the function is not continuous. So two cases are there. Total three cases we can say. Limit extends to a minus f of x is not equal to f of a. So it is not left continuous. Limit extends to a plus f of x not equal to f of a. It is not right continuous. And if both are not equal, then it is said to be not at all continuous. And if f of a does not define, it is not continuous. So any limit, whether left limit or right limit, should be exist, and it should be equal to the given value f of a, and the function should be defined according to the domains. So whenever such cases failures, the continuous failures. Now page number 37, you can read and you can understand the points. If f of x is not continuous at x equal to a, we say that f of x is discontinuous at x equal to a. So whatever the sums, whatever the concept I said, simply we had written there. Now we can say that types of discontinuity. There is no question of types of continuous, because if it is continuous, the left limit, right limit exists, and it should be equal to f of a. That's all. That is a simple definition of continuous. But discontinuous, plenty of cases are there. Let us see the cases. And types of discontinuity. Types of discontinuity. Types of discontinuity. In this Roman number 1, let us write discontinuity of first kind. Discontinuity of first kind. There are two kinds, discontinuity of first kind and discontinuity of second kind. Among them, separate points are there. So this discontinuity of first kind, limit exists but not equal to f of a. If limit extends to a, if limit extends to a, limit extends to a, f of x exists. Limit extends to a, f of x exists but not equal to f of a. But not equal to. Limit extends to a, f of x exists but not equal to f of a, not defined at the f of s set to be. It is two types, removable discontinuity. Equal to f of x exists but not equal to f of a. So limit exists means limit LHL equal to RHS, but it is not equal to f of a. Then such discontinuity is called as removable discontinuity. So what is removing here? Here limit extends to a minus, this meaning limit extends to a minus f of x is equal to limit extends to a plus f of x, but whatever the value he given, that is not equal. So we are removing, we are not considering. So general notation is LHL equal to RHS, then we can say that continuous. It is not corrected expression, but LHL equal to RHL and it should be equal to f of a. So if we are removing, this is not possible. Simply if we remove, limit exists. So limit exists but not equal to f of a, such position of discontinuity is called as, such kind of discontinuity is called as removable discontinuity, or this is the discontinuity of first kind. Among removable discontinuity, two cases are there. First one, isolated and missing point. This is the missing point discontinuity. First one, missing point discontinuity. Among the removable discontinuity, first one missing point discontinuity and the second one isolated point discontinuity. Let us see the missing point discontinuity. Let us see the example. F of x is equal to just what I thought, what I said previously according to domain concept, 2 minus x into x cube minus 8 by x plus 2. Shall I? We can write. If x is equal to minus 2, then what will happen? So this is not defined. Missing point discontinuity means here x should not be minus 2. This is removable. We should remove that point. And if we should not remove, if we substitute here minus 2, then what happens? Minus 2 plus 2, anything by 0, infinity, it is not at all possible. So minus 2 here, this is called as a missing point discontinuity. 1 point missed. So if x should be, if you should not, if any, the function did not give, like simply he given like this, the function, this is continuous everywhere. But the continuous is collapsing, is going to be finished off. So the continuous is not possible at x is equal to minus 2. Such a point which is disturbing, the disturbing point is called as a missing point of discontinuity. Next, let us see the isolated discontinuity. Isolated discontinuity. We know that the step x concept, step x is step step x is continuous on r minus z, that is in integers step x is not continuous. I am making you to remember one thing. Limit x tends to 2 you write, limit x tends to 2 f of, limit x tends to 2 step x and write, limit x tends to 2 step x. So LHL equal to 1.92 minus and RHL equal to 2.1. Example I am discussing. LHL equal to 1.9 step 2 minus step 1 and 2 plus step 2. So 1 not equal to 2. Instead of, whenever you are substituting integers, step x is never continuous. Whenever you are not substituting integers, example limit x tends to 2.1 like this. Take step x, take 2.1 left neighborhood, 2.09 like this. Step of 2.09 answer 2. If you are taking right neighborhood 2.11, so this is also 2. So step x is continuous on r minus z. Why you are discussing here? So f of x is equal to step x plus of minus step x, isolated point, discontinuous. So where it is discontinuous? Isolated point. Isolate means where the all functions are discontinuous. Where whenever you are putting any integer you substitute, it is not possible. Such functions are called as isolated discontinuous functions. Limit exists, but f of x not equal to f of a. What is f of x not equal to f of x? This is x. Simply if you are substituting limit x is equal to 2. Here limit x tends to 2. Limit x tends to 2. General notation. Simply if you are substituting 2 directly, the step of 2 is equal to 2. But you are taking 2.2 negative neighborhood means 2 minus step here 1 and 2 plus step is equal to 2. So what is happening? RHL equal to 2 and f of a also 2. LHL equal to 1 and f of a is equal to 2. RHL equal to f of a, but LHL not equal to f of a. So here f of a defined, but f of a not equal to LHL. Such discontinuous is called as isolated discontinuity. So it is isolated discontinuity. Next, discontinuity of second kind. It is also called as irremovable discontinuity. Discontinuity of second kind. Discontinuity of second kind are irremovable. Irremovable discontinuity. Irremovable. So it not removable here meaning. A function f of x said to have discontinuity of second kind at x equal to a if limit x tends to a does not exist. Simply the value does not exist. If limit x tends to a, f of x does not exist. That is LHL not equal to RHL. Among this one, you no need to calculate about f of a. If you given f of a also, first of all, LHL not equal to RHL. Then you can say easily that this is irremovable. So what is irremovable? About removing, you are thinking limit x tends to a minus f. A minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to a plus f of x is equal to f of a. We are thinking here. No need to think because LHL should not equal to RHL. So whenever if limit x tends to a, f of x does not exist, that is LHL not equal to RHL. Such discontinuity is called as discontinuity is called as discontinuity of second kind or irremovable discontinuity. Discontinuity of second kind or irremovable discontinuity. Among them, three types of discontinuities are there: finite, infinite, oscillatory. First one finite, second one infinite, third one oscillatory. Finite separate name is there. This is called as jump discontinuity. Third one, first finite, second infinite, I mean finite discontinuity, infinite discontinuity, finite discontinuity or jump discontinuity. This is infinite discontinuity. Next one, oscillatory discontinuity. Oscillatory discontinuity. Oscillatory discontinuity. Discontinuous are two types. First one removable, second one irremovable. In first one, two types of their first missing point, second isolated point. In discontinuity of second kind, that is irremovable, there are three types of discontinuity. First one finite discontinuity, second one infinite discontinuity, third one that is oscillatory discontinuity. Okay, let us discuss about finite discontinuity. Finite discontinuity. If limit extends to a minus f of x, limit extends to a plus f of x, both finite and not equal. If limit extends to a, already previously we said that LHL not equal to RHL. Limit extends to a minus f of x, comma, limit extends to a plus f of x. Both are finite. Both are finite but not equal. There is no question of limit extends to, there is no question of f of it. So let us see example. Let us see the example. F of x is equal to given 1 by 1 plus 2 power 1 by x at not equal to 0. 2 power 1 by x at x not equal to 0. So let us take LHL, 0 minus LHL. Limit extends to 0 minus. So 1 by 1 plus 2 power 1 by x. Taking negative neighborhood means 0 minus 0.1 like this. Left neighborhood I am taking minus 0.1. So 1 by minus 0.1. Observe the value 1 by minus 0.1. 1 by 1 plus 2 power minus 1 by 0.1. In the similar way, you can understand 1 by 1 plus, just wait, 1 by 1 plus 2 inverse. So 1 by 2. 2 power minus 1 by 0.1 means 1 by 0.1. 10. So 2 power minus 10. Now RHL you write. Limit extends to 0 plus. Now 0 plus neighborhood you write. 1 by 1 plus 2 power 1 by x. So 1 by 1 plus 2 power 0.1. 2 power 1 by 0.1. 1 by 0.1 means that is 1 by 1 plus here 2 power 10. There is a lot of difference between 1 by 1 plus 2 power minus 10 and 1 by 1 plus 2 power 10. So this is LHL not equal to RHL. Such types of discontinuity is called as finite discontinuity. Next, let us draw a graph about limit, about infinite discontinuity. Infinite discontinuity. Draw like this. This is A at x equal to A I am writing. This is left neighborhood. This is right neighborhood. A curve taking like this at x is equal to A I am writing. This curve at x equal to minus A I am writing. Here this is x equal to, simply this is A. This is A. Left neighborhood x is equal to A. A minus, not minus. This is A plus, this is A minus. So x is equal to A point. A minus, A plus. They are appearing as they may approach A. No, never. This is also no, never. It should be going like this. We can extend until infinite. Right side, right on neighborhood, right neighborhood, and left side or left neighborhood. We can extend. This is maybe straight line or curve or anything. Extend until infinite. So x is equal to A minus and x is equal to A plus. Never touch and they never approach x is equal to A. Such types of function. You take any function, cos x by x, sin x by x like this. Sin x by x example, 1 by x concept, infinity concept. So you take any neighborhood or the right neighborhood or left neighborhood like that. Already he given f of x is equal to cos x by x. Sin x by x also you can take where x is equal to 0. So 0 minus 0 plus concept. Of course, we know that minus 1 less than or equal to cos x less than or equal to 1. So cos x value or sin x value should be lie between minus 1 and 1. So that is the finite value by 0, infinite. Left side take left neighborhood, it becomes minus infinite, and take right neighborhood, it becomes plus infinite. But they never touch, they never approaches x is equal to a. Such discontinuous are called as infinite discontinuous. Next one, oscillatory discontinuous. Oscillatory discontinuous. Oscillatory discontinuity. Oscillatory discontinuity. Oscillatory discontinuity. Taking the limit oscillates between two finite quantities. If the limit oscillates between two finite quantities, the limits oscillate between two finite quantities, such discontinuity is called as oscillatory discontinuity. Oscillatory discontinuity. If the limit oscillates, the given limit oscillates between two finite quantities, such discontinuity is called as oscillatory discontinuity. What is the value, sir? Let us take example. F of x is equal to sine of 1 by x. Of course, cos of 1 by x also we can take on x is equal to 0. General notation is that sin theta is lie between minus 1 and 1. So range of sin theta is equal to minus 1 and 1. But x is equal to 0 he given. Sine of 1 by 0 means sin infinity. So there is no value of sin infinity. Maximum value of sin should be 1. In such cases, you take sin theta is a finite value. Sin theta is a finite value. Lie between sin theta is finite value, lie between minus 1 comma 1. The graph of sin x should be like this. In physics, cathode ray oscilloscope, you can see the graph. Of course, like this also you can draw in this like this. So between minus 1 and 1, plenty of values will be there. So the value is oscillating between minus 1 and 1. So general notation is, students can ask that out. General notation is every trigonometric function is continuous because every graph we have drawn without lifting the pen. If you are drawing a graph, it is said to be continuous, whether it is straight line or any curve. In the similar way, sin x, cos x, tan x, secant x, cot x, anything, any curve is continuous. Depends upon their domains. It is the rememberable point. You should not forget the point is every trigonometric function is continuous but depends upon their domains. This is also continuous we can say, but it is sin 1 by x. If we are substituting here, limit x tends to 0, x into sin 1 by x. Then you can say this is a finite value, this is x, 0 into finite value. Easily you can say the value equal to 0 on x is equal to 0, the value f of 0 in is equal to 0. So directly you can say that whether it is x or x square or x cube, anything, the oscillatory discontinuous becomes continuous. But whenever it is oscillating, depends upon the reciprocal concept. You need to say this is oscillatory discontinuous. Here I am making you to remember the formula note. To get continuous, of an oscillatory discontinuity function. To get continuous and oscillatory discontinuity function, it should be multiplied by f of x. Example, x square, x cube, x like that, when limit extends to 0. Of course, this is general notation thing. In some problems, he used to give like this. Limit extends to 0, x square into sine of 1 by x. Yet x is equal to 0. Whether it is continuous or not, yes, exactly, because x equals simply 0 square. This is a finite value. If you did not give x square, then you should not say it is continuous. It is said to be oscillatory discontinuous. Now, you try to do theory bits. So, oscillatory, everything we have discussed, but you should not forget this value. Every trigonometric function is continuous, depends upon their domains. Next, algebraic concept. This one, trigonometric, we have discussed it. Let us see the examples before going to discuss. If I am writing the point, if we are drawing a curve, this is simple definition. If we are drawing a curve without lifting the pen, if we are drawing a curve without lifting a pen, such a curve is called as, such a curve is a continuous curve. Such curve is a continuous curve. Next one, vice versa. Vice versa meaning if we cannot draw without lifting a pen. Example, let us discuss. Y is equal to x square. Y equal to x square is nothing but the parabola. Take anything, simply graph like this. This is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. You handle. You take the points. Here 1, 4, you write -2 whole square becomes 4 and -1 whole square becomes 1, 0 square 0, 1 square 1, 2 square 4. Simply draw the graph. You will get smooth curve without lifting the pen. Join all points without lifting the pen. This is a continuous curve. This is a continuous curve. Next, you take signum x, S-I-G-N-U-M. Signum x. Signum x definition is mod x by x. Mod x by x. Domain is equal to here. Domain of signum x is equal to r minus set 0. 0 you should not substitute it. And the range is equal to -1, 1. Range is equal to -1, 1. Because you substitute any value, you will get either +1 or -1. Draw like this. Signum x 0, 1, 2. Here also 1, 2. Simply 2 points I am taking. This is -1, -2. So signum x means mod x by x. Substitute. For 1 it is 1. For 2 simply dots we are getting. For 2 it is 2. Lifted the pen. Lifted. This is separate. This is separate. Okay. For -1, -1, -2. That's all. For 0, not defined. We should not put. Next, for step x, you write. For step x or for ceiling x. For step x, same graph we can draw -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Here, you can understand x not equal to 0. So you can draw, join like this. This is separated, this is separated. This is continuous left, maybe this is also. But whenever x not equal to 0, then it is continuous. But whenever x is equal to 0, it is not continuous. Simply you can leave. Now, -2. Put 2, 1 here. This is also -1, -2. Between -2 and -1, you take any value. Example, -1.9. The step becomes -2. So between minus, like this. This is the value. Between -1 and 0, this is the value. Between 0 and 1, this is the value. So 1 you will get. Between 0 and 1. Between 1 and 2, you will get like this. You can understand, for each and every value you are lifting the pen. So whenever you are lifting the pen, it is not continuous. It is said to be discontinuous. That is, we already have discussed. Step x values are x minus step x values are fractional part. This is step x r, this is a fractional part. Step x values are x minus step x are fractional part. X are not continuous when they are on integers. Whenever they are not integers, they are continuous. Of course, differentiable also. Let us discuss about differentiable topic in next class. Now, you try to start theory bits. In level 1, some questions I will say. Level 2, each and every bit I will say. Level 3 also some important I discuss. Now, let us see the page number 40, level 1. Level 1, page number 40. Second question. The function defined by f of x equal to, just now we discussed, students, x sin 1 by x at x equal to 0. It is continuous. Wherever they given x or x square or x cube, anything, it is continuous. So whenever sin 1 by x, where the sin 1 by x model function, that is oscillatory discontinuity function, is the multiplying with x or x square or x cube, anything, if x equal to 0 he given, it is said to be undoubtedly continuous. Now let us making you to remember the formula. First question, second question is continuous. First question I am making you to remember the formula using the limits cos ax minus cos bx by x square, formula b square minus a square by 2. Substitute, and if you get the same answer 7 by 2, you write continuous. If you are not getting the same answer 7 by 2, write that discontinuous. Now let us see sixth question. Level 1, 6, 8, 9, 10, 13, 16. Level 1, 6, 8, remaining sums you should do 6, 8, 9, 10, 13, 16. Let us see sixth question. If f of x equal to x power 1 by x minus 1 continues at x equal to, so what is the value of f of 1 at x equal to x not equal to 1 used to give, he is asking the f of 1. So you should already given continuous. So whenever he given continuous, we should calculate the f of 1. It is nothing but limit x tends to 1 f of x we need to calculate. That is equal to limit x tends to 1. Limit x tends to 1, x power 1 by x minus 1. X power 1 by x minus 1. If we substitute here 1 power 1 by 1 minus 0 becomes 1 power infinity. Whenever the function is in the form of 1 power infinity, we should use the formula limit x tends to a g of x into f of x minus 1. G of x into f of x minus 1. So that is equal to e power limit x tends to a, what is g of x here, 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 1. So x minus 1 is get cancelled, simply e, f of 1 is equal to e. First option is the answer. Now 8th question. F of x is equal to 1 by log mod step x, where the function is discontinuity or the number of points of discontinuity he is asking. Already I said that where the function is not defined, at where it is not defined also not continuous. So mod x not equal to 1, because log 1 equal to 0, 1 by log 1, 0, 1 by 0 infinity. It is not right way. So x is equal to, x not equal to plus or minus 1. Also in the real number system, x not equal to 0, because there is no definition of log 0. So number of points of discontinuity, number of points of discontinuity equal to 3 points, that is 0, 1, minus 1. He did not ask like this. Discontinuity points only he asked 0, plus or minus 1. Now 9th one. Ninth question. Let f maps R to R be defined by f of x equal to alpha plus sin step x by x. F of x is equal to alpha plus sin step x by x. Alpha plus, not like, okay, alpha plus sin step x by x. Sin step x by x. Next, beta plus sin of beta plus step sin x minus x. Step sin x minus x whole by x cube. Given next step 2 when x equal to 0. So first case is x greater than 0 and second case is x less than 0. Third case x is equal to. What he is asking, discontinuous, where step denotes the greatest integral part. If it is continuous at x equal to 0, then find the value of beta minus alpha. LHL, so continuous given. LHL equal to RHL equal to f of a, both. So exactly continuous. Limit x tends to 0, alpha plus 0 minus, I am writing here, 0 minus alpha plus sin of step x by x is equal to 2. Sin step x by x, sin substitute here 0 minus. So 0 minus neighborhood, sin of 0 minus meaning sin of 0 minus. Sin of minus 0.1 like this by minus 0.1. Sin of minus 0.1 meaning sin 1 means 57 degrees. So alpha is equal to 2 we can write. Alpha is equal to, because sin 0.1 means 1 degree is equal to 57. 1 is equal to 57 degrees 16 minutes. So 0.1 means approximately 5 degrees. It is approximately, sin 5 degrees is nothing but 0. Approximately I am discussing. That 2 step, so no need to calculate everything. 0.1 step 0. No need to calculate. Directly you can understand 0.1 step 0. Sin 0 equal to 0. So alpha plus 0 equal to 2. Alpha equal to 2 we have. Let us verify. No, he is asking beta minus alpha. Next limit RHL. RHL limit extends to 0 plus beta plus sin step sin x minus x whole by x cube. 0 plus you take example sin 0.1 like this. Now you understand beta plus sin 0.1 minus 0.1 by x cube, 0.1 whole cube. Denominator is a finite value. Sin 0.1 means sin 5 like that. Sin whatever I said previously. 1 means 57 degrees 16 minutes. 0.1 5 degrees, approximately 0 minus 0.1, total step minus 1. Okay. Now you can understand beta minus 1 equal to 2. So beta equal to 3. Asking now beta minus alpha. Beta minus alpha meaning 3 minus 2. So the value is 1. Beta minus 2 value is 1. Now 9th question completed. Let us see 10th question. 10th question. If step x denotes the greatest integer function exceeding, it's everything okay, does not exceed x, the function f is defined by f of x is equal to a plus 2 cos x. F of x is equal to a plus 2 cos x whole by x square. Whole by x square. Given x less than 0. X less than 0. Next one, b tan pi by, the print mistake is there, you correct the print mistake, pi by step x plus 4. Pi by step x plus 4, x greater than 0 is continuous, then what is the value of a, what is the value of b? So whenever, if the concept I am writing, if f of x is continuous, then f of x by g of x, the function I am writing, is continuous, then numerator equal to 0, yet x is equal to a or x is equal to 0. You can directly substitute that. It is a rule. numerator equal to 0 you can write, because it is a finite value, because 0 by anything concept. So a plus 2 limit x tends to 0, write like this, a plus 2 cos x whole by x square, directly numerator equal to 0 you write. Numerator means a plus, I mean substitute here 0, cos 0 equal to 1, so a plus 2 equal to 0, a is equal to minus 2. How many options are there? A is equal to minus 2, total 3 options are there. Again the value you need to equal to, now LHR you take for this one. LHR means already you know that L hospital rule, derivative, to count the calculating the derivative of numerator and denominator also. Cos x derivative minus sin x, so minus 2 sin x by 2x, 2 get cancelled, this is minus 1 according to Franz rule. Now it is simply plus, yes, minus 1. Minus 1. Now this one equal to RHL I am writing, right hand limit b tan pi by, right hand limit x tends to, what he given, limit x tends to 0, b tan pi by step x plus 4, b tan pi by step x plus 4. The value of step, simply substitute 0 plus, meaning 0 plus, example 0.1 plus 4 becomes 4, pi by 4 means 1. So that is equal to b into 1 I am writing, b into 1 equal to the value. So b into 1 equal to what he given, let us see, b tan pi by 4, 1, that's all. b into tan pi by 4 equal to RHL equal to 1. So b is equal to 1, that's all. So b is equal to 1 we got, this is 1. What is 1 here? A plus 2, a we got, and the value cos 2x by b value minus 1. b is equal to minus 1, not 1, because this is minus 1 here. So LHL equal to RHL concept, b is equal to minus 1. So a is equal to minus 2 comma b is equal to minus 1 we got. 10th question, second option. Yes, second option is right answer. Now 13th question. 13th question also easy only. F maps minus 2 comma 2 to R. F maps closing interval minus 2 comma 2 to R defined by f of x is equal to root of 1 plus cx plus root of 1 minus cx whole by x, for he given minus 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0, and x plus 3 by x plus 1, x plus 3 by x plus 1, then he given 0 less than x less than 2. You can understand this is LHL for 0 and RHL for 0. LHL at x equal to 0 I am writing is equal to RHL at x equal to 0. That meaning limit x tends to 0 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. That implies limit x tends to 0 minus, same thing directly you can understand. If you are substituting 0 here, 0 by 0 concept you should not write. Now taking LHR I am writing directly. LHR means L hospital rule, derivating, to calculate the derivative for numerator and denominator also. Root x derivative 1 by 2 root x. So 1 by 2 root of 1 plus cx into internal derivative 1 derivative 0, this is c, plus 1 by 2 root of 1 minus cx. Maybe here minus should be given, plus is not right way, this is minus. And internal derivative, this is minus c. Here simply you can substitute 0 here, 0 plus 3 by 0 plus 1, so it is 3. Now c by 2 plus c by 2 we got. LHR directly I had written, yet limit x tends to 0. Substitute wherever x is there. Substitute here c by 2 plus c by 2 equal to 3. So c by 2 plus c by 2 is c. So c is equal to 3 is right answer. Now 16th question. F of x equal to step mod x, f of x equal to mod x plus mod x minus 1. Mod x plus mod x minus 1 is continuous at a dash. If I am writing, if x greater than 0, take positive value, x greater than 0. So two cases arises. X 0 less than x less than 1. So this is x plus 0 less than x, this is positive. If you are taking between 0 and x is equal to 1, maybe 0.5, 0.5 minus 1 becomes minus 0.5. So it is negative neighborhood. 1 minus x. So it is 1 minus 2x. Next, this is case 1. Next, case 2. If x greater than 1, of course x greater than 0. So it becomes x plus this is, take anything 2 minus 1, greater than 1 value, 2 or 3 or anything you can write. So this is 2x minus 1. Now we can understand y is equal to 1 minus 2x comma y is equal to 2x plus 1. Both are straight lines. So every straight line we can draw without lifting the pen. So in both cases it is continuous. Both are straight lines. Both are straight lines. Therefore, it means here f is continuous everywhere. Continuous everywhere. Okay, students, we have completed level 1. Let us discuss level 2 and level 3 some questions in next class.